Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel Chemistry by Saad Anwar and my Facebook page is also Chemistry by Saad Anwar. Today I am going to discuss few past paper questions that is from OCR A-level chemistry and I am going to focus more on multiple choice question. The reason is you guys now in the mark scheme they explained structured question, they explained response question, but multiple choice question, they share the answer, they share the correct options, but multiple choice questions have not been explained. So I'm going to explain multiple choice question for you guys. I need your feedback. Let's start. One, two, three. You see, this is OCR A-level chemistry paper 1. And we are going to discuss this. This is October 2022. Let's start. I'm going to focus on multiple choice questions as I have told you. Hello guys, we are going to solve question number 3. 0.80 gram of element X is reacted with 0.40 gram of oxygen to form an oxide with the formula X2O3. What is the identity of the element X? First, we have to make an equation. X react with oxygen and we are getting X2O3. Then we have to make it balance. So here I put 4, here I put 3, here I have to put 2 to make it balance. Then you can see, guys, the mass of oxygen is given 0.40. So I can make it moles by dividing with 32. So 0.0125. This will be the mole of oxygen. Now let's compare oxygen versus the X. According to balanced chemical equation, 3 mole of oxygen is going to react with 4 mole of X. So if I have 1 mole of oxygen, then X will be 4 by 3. But you guys can see I have 0.0125 mole of oxygen. So mole of X will be 4 upon 3 times 0.0125. Then I need this machine, this calculator. So when I solve it, I have already done. So now it's your turn to do this. 0.01667 mole. This is the mole of X. I have the mole of X now. What I do the next? Molar mass of X will be equals to mass of X upon mole of X. Mass of X given in the question, you can see here 0.80. Mole of X 0.01667. So when I solve it, I will be getting 48. So this is the MR. And you can see in periodic table titanium, it has 48. So the correct option is B. Yes, so in question number 4, phosphoric acid is a tribasic acid. What is the mass of calcium hydroxide that completely neutralize 100 gram of 0.10 mole per cubic decimeter? This acid. Let's solve this question. So it means I can say this is 0.1 cubic decimeter. So can I have the mole of phosphoric acid? Yes. So mole of phosphoric acid. Mole of phosphoric acid will be equals to volume times concentration. So this will be equals to 0.01 mole. I need to develop again an equation. Calcium hydroxide is going to react with phosphoric acid and H3PO4 is the formula of phosphoric acid. This is calcium hydroxide. As a product, I will be getting calcium phosphate and water. The next challenging step is to make it balance. So by putting 2 here, by putting 3 here, by putting 6 here. The other step is comparison of molar ratio H3PO4 versus calcium hydroxide. Because I have to do calculation for calcium hydroxide, so I put calcium hydroxide at the right of the paper. According to balanced chemical equation, 2 mole phosphoric acid is going to react with 3 mole. Let's suppose I have 1 mole phosphoric acid. This will react with 3 upon 2 mole of calcium hydroxide. But you guys can see I have 0.01 mole, 0.01 mole of a phosphoric acid. So according to this, the mole of calcium hydroxide will be 0.015 mole. Guys, this is the mole of calcium hydroxide. Now it's easy to find the mass of calcium hydroxide because I know the molar mass of calcium hydroxide is 74 or 76. I am not sure, but something like that. So mass of calcium hydroxide is moles times mr. You can check its molar mass. Moles is 0.015. Molar mass is, I guess, 76. So as a result, I will be getting 0. Let me confirm this. 0.015 times 76. Yes, if it has 74. Oh, yes, I think it says 74. So it would be 0.11 gram. So option C is the correct option for this question. Yes, guys, see question number 6. The equation for the combustion is shown in the following equation, and this is the equation calculate the enthalpy of combustion. So enthalpy of combustion is equals to enthalpy of the formation of the product minus enthalpy of formation of the reactant. This is product, this is reactant. So product is carbon dioxide and water minus 394. And you see there is 7 times carbon dioxide. So we multiply this with 7. Then the water is minus 286. We must need to multiply this with 4 because there is 4 water. Then the reactant is 12 and it's just 12. For oxygen, no, it's not zero value. For element, by definition, its enthalpy is zero. Enthalpy of formation is zero. So guys, when you solve it, we will be getting minus 3914. So this is the answer. So option A is the correct one. Now guys, I'm going to solve question number 8. The graph is plotted of natural log K. You just can go over the question. I'm going to focus on its solution. Natural log K is equals to is minus EA upon R. I have to find EA. So I can say gradient minus gradient because I multiply this with minus. That can confuse you. Gradient times R is equals to minus EA. So gradient is 55000 minus R is 8.3143 minus EA. So when I solve this, I will be getting minus 457270 minus EA. So minus will be cancelled by minus. Yes, I can cancel out this negative with this negative. So 457270 is the activation energy. Oh, this is not matching. What again I do? I divide this by 1000. So when I divide this by 1000, my final answer will be 457.27 kilojoule per mole. And you guys can see this is the matching with option number D. It's shown below. This is the question. This is the rate constant. What is the overall order of the reaction? This is a kind of harder question, but I will make it easy for you. You can see here. Let's consider a general reaction. Let's consider a general reaction. A reactant A, and this is the product. Okay, guys, so the rate of this reaction will be equals to rate constant K, concentration of product into raised to power N. What is N? N reflect order of reaction. N is order of reaction. So I have to find units of K. So units of K will be equals to rate upon A raised to power N. So guys, you now generally rate of reaction is equals to rate of reaction is equals to moles per cubic decimeter per second. This is the rate of reaction. This is the unit of rate of reaction. Sorry, this is the unit of rate of reaction. So here this will be equals to mole per cubic decimeter per second. And is the concentration. Now if I have zero order reaction, let's say for zero order, you see n is equals to 0. So this equation will be equals to k is equals to rate over a power 0. And you know a power 0, anything power 0 is equals to 1. So this will be equals to k is equals to rate. And rate has the unit we have seen. The rate unit is mole per cubic decimeter per second. So you see this is not matching with this one. This is dm cube per mole. This is mole per dm cube. So it means option A cannot be the correct one. Now let's try option B and I'm going to erase. Okay, I cannot erase here. So option B is first order. For first order, n is equals to 1. So the equation will be equals to rate upon a raised to power 1. So rate is equals to mole per cubic decimeter per second. You see this is concentration. You guys now concentration is equals to moles per cubic decimeter. So I have to cancel out this mole with this mole, this per cubic decimeter with this per cubic decimeter. The leftover is per second. Oh no, this is not matching. This is different. So it means this cannot be the correct option. Now let's try C option, which is 2. So n is 2 is equals to rate upon a raised to power 2. Rate unit is moles per cubic decimeter per second. A is concentration, so concentration unit is mole per cubic decimeter, like moles per cubic decimeter is the unit of concentration, but I have to take a square. So mole square dm minus 6. So guys, when I solve this, you will see the leftover will be mole minus 1 dm plus 3 per second. So you can see this is the matching with this. So this is the correct option. Option C. 20 cubic centimeter. So it means 20 cubic centimeter means 0.02 cubic decimeter of hydrochloric acid to this. This is the volume of sodium hydroxide. So the complete question is this. Okay. What is the pH of the resulting mixture? This is 0.01 cubic decimeter. I can find out the moles. So mole of hydrochloric acid. You know how to find mole. If you do not know, feel free to contact me. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. The mole of sodium hydroxide. Mole of sodium hydroxide will be equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So it means HCl is in excess. So mole of HCl, remaining mole of HCl is total mole of HCl, and the used mole of HCl, which is used to react with sodium hydroxide, this is the remaining mole of HCl. So this is the mole of HCl. Total volume, you see total volume is 0.02 plus 0.01. So this will be equals to 0.03 cubic decimeter. Can I find the concentration of hydrogen ion? Yes, because I have the mole of HCl. Mole of HCl means this is the mole of hydrogen ion. So 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3, this is the mole of hydrogen ion. This is the volume of hydrogen ion. When I divide moles by volume, I will be getting the concentration. And why I need to find concentration? So that I can apply this formula. pH is equals to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So guys, you need to use calculator here. So when you use calculator, you will be getting 1.48. This is the answer matching with option D. So guys, this is the last question which I have solved for you. I must say, if you need my one-on-one live customized tutoring session, feel free to contact via this given WhatsApp number. Have a nice day, enjoy your day, and I must say, please do share this video with your classmates. Have a nice day.